Welcome back, Merca. This is Mr. Zebraman. Beautiful boy! Beautiful boy! Check out this beautiful feathers. Just a little Dolly. Oh, though. Hey there, man. He would make a great character, Mr. Zebraman. Telling you what to do about America. Y'all really need to get your shit together, man. Wow, you're gonna let Jack Smith got eaten. My friend Jack Smith the chicken got eaten by a bobcat the other day. Oh, guess he shouldn't have just dropped the charges against the worst criminal in human history, Marshmallow Merrick Garland, too. It's terrible, terrible stuff, America. See these lovely tail feathers? They will make great decoration hats, as well as hopefully the bobcat won't be able to snatch them as easily. Thank you, Mr. Zebraman. Look, he's still got some left. Got a nice little pile of beautiful feathers that I can use in my art projects. Here's one I did in my fezzy.